In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Google Workspace email account password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to enhance your account security, this guide will take you through the process step by step in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to Google Workspace. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in the URL for Google Workspace, or simply searching for it online. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the admin console. Usually you'll find this option prominently displayed, allowing you to manage various administrative tasks. At this point, you'll need to log in using your business email. It's important to have the correct credentials on hand to ensure a smooth process. Once you're logged in, keep an eye on the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. With a simple click on this menu, you can access a range of Google applications. Next, you'll need to find and select the admin icon. This icon is typically represented by a cog or a similar administrative symbol. Clicking on it will take you into the admin area where you can manage user accounts and settings. Now look for the directory option. This is where Google lists all the user accounts associated with your Google Workspace. You can find it either through direct navigation or sometimes in a drop-down menu. Clicking on directory will lead you to a list of all user accounts. From here, navigate to the users section. This area lists every individual who has a user account under your Google Workspace. It's from this list that you'll select the specific user account for which you want to reset the password. Once you've selected the user account in question, look for the option labeled Reset Password. Clicking on this will navigate you to a new screen dedicated to password management. At this point, you'll see an option to create a new password. Selecting this option allows you to enter a new password that adheres to Google's password requirements, ensuring both security and ease of use. Go ahead and type in the new password, double check your entry to make sure it's correct and strong. Remember, using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters can help increase the password's strength. Finally, when you're confident with the new password, click on the reset button to finalize the change. Congratulations, you've successfully reset the password for your Google Workspace email account. Always remember to update your records with the new password to avoid any login issues in the future. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video that you may find useful.